Don't make these simple mistakes in the coming year if you want to have great credit. What's going on, everybody? I'm Gilberto from Credit Guys, the show where we talk all things business, credit, and finance related. Today's video topic, we're going to be going over the top common mistakes that you want to absolutely avoid coming into the new year if you want to supersize your credit and improve your life financially. So if that sounds like a video topic for you, be sure to like and subscribe, stay till the fullness of the video, and without further ado, if you are somebody who is trying to seriously take back control of your financial future, maybe your credit score isn't looking too hot, or maybe you made a couple bad decisions or mistakes these last couple of years, and you're looking to turn that all around for the new year as part of your New Year's resolution. Well, this video is for you. We're going to be going over the top mistakes that you absolutely want to avoid going into this new year if you're trying to improve your credit and improve your financial success. So, number one, you have to know what your credit score is at all times, and you have to know what credit is. So, essentially, if you're in the States and you've lived here long enough, then you already know that credit is king. You need credit for everything: to get a home, to get a credit card, to get a car, to get an auto loan, right? Everything. And so if you're somebody who's been struggling with bad credit for a while, then you know that living in the States makes it very difficult to get approved for anything. So the first recommendation is know what your credit score is and know what you're dealing with on a daily basis. A simple solution to this is by using a trustworthy and reliable and accurate credit monitoring service. Now, when I say credit monitoring service, I'm not talking about Credit Karma or Credit Sesame or Credit Wise. None of those are going to be accurate. In fact, some of those aren't even credit monitoring services. They're actually just there to try and sell you different credit products that might not even be suitable for you. So the one that you want to use is called Smart Credit. The link will be in the description below. Make sure you sign up for it, pull your credit reports, get down to the nitty-gritty of what exactly is going on with your credit score, and be ready to kill it in the new year. The next thing is, if you're somebody who's racked up a ton of hard inquiries, meaning that you've applied over and over and over within a 2-year span for different credit items like a credit card or an auto loan or a personal loan, or you went to the dealership and they ran your credit a bunch of times, you already know you might have gotten denied in the past due to too many recent inquiries within a short period of time. So if you're struggling with having too many inquiries, be sure to book a call with one of our representatives. They'll be able to show you how to successfully remove all of those hard inquiries from your credit report and can even increase your score anywhere from 50 to 150 points. So, hard inquiries is a no-no. Make sure you are not applying for anything unless you absolutely are 99% sure that you are going to get approved for whatever it is you're applying for. The good thing is a lot of different credit card services or offers or lending offers have what's called pre-approvals. And what pre-approvals are is basically what they do is called a soft credit check. And what a soft credit check is basically looking at the outer layers of your credit score and trying to determine if they have enough information, determine if you can get approved without giving you a hard inquiry. So always check to see if they have a service where it's a soft inquiry first. That way you're not gaining any more hard inquiries. Again, every time you get a hard inquiry, it's going to ding up your credit score and it can temporarily drop your credit score. So moving forward into the new year, don't go crazy applying for different things unless you're looking at your credit score with one of the credit monitoring services like Smart Credit. You say, hey, my credit's good, everything looks good to go. I think I have a high probability of getting approved for this. I'm going to go ahead and apply. The next thing is keeping your balances low. So what I mean by that is going into this new year, if you're bringing in a ton of credit card debt from the past couple of years, do your absolute best to pay those balances down below the 20% rate. Why do I say this? Because anytime you carry a credit card balance that's above the 20% utilization rate, it will drop your score dramatically. It can drop your score anywhere from 50 to 150 points. So an easy way to do this, to calculate the math, is let's say you have a credit card that has a $10,000 limit and you are carrying a balance of $3,000. That is 30%. Now, typically what you'll hear from most people is, oh, 30%, keep it under 30%. Yeah, 30% is fine. That's not true. Keep it under 20%. So pay that credit card down from $3,000 to $2,000. That will, the next 30 days when your credit file reports, it's going to dramatically increase your credit score, give you a nice boost. And that's as simple as it is. Pay down your credit cards. Do not carry revolving debts over 20% if you do not want to have a negative impact on your credit score. The next one is, if you're going to be shopping for a car in the new year, right? Lots of New Year specials rolling out for dealerships and auto loans, and lots of great things coming, right? If you're somebody who you're going to be looking for a vehicle, make sure, number one, you know what your credit score is, and then also number two, go in with a pre-approval offer from things like a credit union, right? So what you do is you go to a credit union, you say, hey, I'm looking to purchase this car for $50,000. I would like to run my credit, see if I can get approved. Boom, they'll approve you on the spot. You take that $50,000 check to the dealership. You say, hey, no need to run my information. I have a check here for 50 grand is the asking price of that vehicle. Here you go. Mail the title to the credit union and call it a day, right? That is one of the best ways to do car shopping. Number one is because it only gives you one hard inquiry. And then number two is because it builds a relationship with that credit union. So moving forward, if you make your payments on time, if you stick with them for a couple of years, you're going to build relationship with them, and they're going to start offering you different products and services like loans, credit cards, business lines of credit, etc. So versus going straight into the dealership saying, hey, you guys got this vehicle here. Looks like my credit's great. I already checked it on my smart credit monitoring app. They said I'm good to go. Let me go ahead and apply for this vehicle. Oh, and by the way, the dealership's going to say, hey, no problem. Let's go ahead and run you through our banks, all of our banks and partners. Boom, 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 boom. Next thing you know, you got 5, 10, 15, 20 hard inquiries on your credit report. The next month, the new report comes out, and guess what? Your score dropped 50 points. And the dealership told you, oh no, we're only going to run your stuff, one time. So easy way to avoid that is by using a credit union. So these are just a few tips that you want to make sure that you avoid moving into the new year if you want to position your credit, position yourself financially to basically get ahead for the new year. I want you all to achieve and smash your goals. So if you found this video helpful, if you like the tips, please be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, I'm Gilberto from Credit Guys.